Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to replace the broken back glass of an iPhone 12 Pro Max. So let's get started. First, set the laser machine according to the iPhone model you're working on. Place the phone inside the machine and tap the autofocus button. The machine will automatically scan and recognize the model. Next, place the phone under the laser light and start the process. The laser machine's job is to remove the glue on the back glass so that the broken pieces can be lifted off easily. To clean the broken glass, you'll need to use these two tools. Now, we'll carefully clean all the broken glass piece by piece. Be extra cautious when working near the camera on the right side. After cleaning it properly, apply the adhesive glue. Now take the new back glass, align it properly, and place it. Then attach the 4 clips to ensure it sticks firmly. I hope you understand. Thank you.